Hello, good morning, friends. Yes, I am Mahadev. I will show you the cooking study of my child. So, see the spirit of their cooking study. Their mommy cook and they are study in front of her. Let's see. Ifshita, which subject did you read? EVS, yours universe. Okay, and Sushita, you? Sushita, Chelebela. Wrote by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, that is Bengali, your subject. And their mom cooked. আজকে কি রান্না হচ্ছে মমিতা?